here showing you this. So I came to buy a tabletop or two for our home, and then I suddenly realized, you dummy, you got to make a video about this. That's for sure. Here we go. Hey friends, Mario Cavolo here. Forgive me, I don't have my lavalier mic on, so the sound's pretty good because it's quiet. Haha, the guy just dropped the tool. So where am I? I'm unexpectedly giving you a tour of the source of gorgeous wood tables and furniture in China. So there you go. Each of these is half a tree, or more than half, 2/3 of the tree. We are at the source. I am the luckiest son of a gun. You guys would never be able to see what I'm seeing here. Look at this. I'm at the source. This is the factory town, the warehouse town here in Shenyang, northeast China, to the north side of the city. Last year I was at the stone town. This is the wood town, and you're seeing, this is this video. I'm sharing this with you. Wow, it's just fantastic. You're getting this to see the source. You want to know where in the furniture store the $2,000 tabletop comes from? I'm here. And I could buy it for 300 bucks, 400 bucks. It's just unbelievable. That's what our video is about today. Hey, before I forget, subscribe, hit the notifications button. Be nice, help me out. I really appreciate it. Hope you enjoy these videos. Guys making noise back there, driving the truck. Wow, this is just incredible. I can't believe I'm here showing you this. So I came to buy a tabletop or two for our home, and then I suddenly realized, you dummy, you got to make a video about this. That's for sure. Here we go. I'm going to give you an appreciation for what you're looking at. We're inside the huge warehouse here. And I'm going to walk right here, because you don't even realize what you're looking at. And then we're going to get closer and closer, and I'm going to get straight on. I'll come from a straight angle, and then all of a sudden you're looking at what looks like an altar. And now you're starting to understand what you're looking at here. Look at this. Look at these 3 gigantic chunks of altar wood. They're all 3. Look at this. Now you're getting the feeling? Look at this. Look at this. There's the bottom. Each of these, from there to there. Well, the bottom one is about 18 feet wide, I'd say. About 6 meters wide. You don't realize the bottom piece because it's kind of dirty looking. Look at that. That thing is about 1 foot thick. And this here, so this is about, I'm switching back and forth between meters and feet. That's about 2 feet. That's about more than 1/2 meter wide, thick. And the pieces in between, you don't even notice. And they're huge, right? I mean, and this shit costs a lot of money. Look at this. Wow. And this is just a random corner, right? I mean, this is just a random corner with some old inventory laying around, because these things have been sitting here for a long time. Look at this. Look how much dust. Whoa, 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 whoa. Yeah, I mean, these are completely, you're in a work area, and these are all, I don't know. Look at that. Whoa. But, this is a work area, and, it's obvious that after they're done making these tables, these are benches. These are all made by hand. Look how beautiful. Boom, I'm swinging around. This is just a work area. Before I walked in over there. And this is the raw wood here that hasn't been touched yet. Wow. So this is the raw wood that they're turning into this gorgeous stuff that I'm showing you all along here. And again, wow, these 3 tables. So what the hell are they used for? So these kind of tables are used for, you might find them in, huge commercial buildings, 5-star hotels, museums, this kind of thing. I mean, what else are they used for? And I don't know what, I mean, this is the chunk of wood, right? Here, let me look at it over here. There you go. Oh good, I gave you this view. So there you go. Each of these is half a tree, or more than half, 2/3 of the tree. You can see the center. So this is the cut. It's the entire tree trunk. So then the question is, and I don't have the answer, they're not with me, what kind of wood is it? And in that respect, let me give you some information. Nan mei ban ma mu. That's nan mei ban ma mu. Teach you a little bit of Chinese. Nan mei is South America. Ban ma, ban means half. Striped, black and white. Ban ma, what's that? An animal. What's an animal? Black and white, striped, and famous wood, zebra. So it's South American zebra wood. That's ban ma mu. Another type of wood is he tao. He tao, what's a he tao? Walnut. And so obviously walnut is walnut. I don't have to tell you, right? Walnut wood. And third type of wood is bashi hua mu. Bashi, Brazil. Hua is flower. Meigui de hua, flower, rose, American roses. And so bashi hua mu is Brazilian rosewood. The other is what was it? Oh, I can't remember. Amberwood. Oh, I can't remember the name for amberwood. And I think I'm going to end up buying the amberwood table. So you can see, these are huge warehouses, and then there's 2, 3 more. I just keep walking down this lane, and then there's, in every direction, to my right, to my left, there's 4 other lanes. So that's how huge this place is as a wood town. So that's how huge this place is as a wood town. And then meanwhile, the other thing to share with you, last year I went to the stone town, stone tiles, and that's where I had my, look at this piece, and that's where I had my Turkish quartz stone stands made. Look at this piece. Wow, it's all covered with dust. That is, you say, what the hell is that? Because you see this space here, right? So that is a tea table. That's used as a tea table. Amazing. I'm doing some voiceover narration for this whole part here. From this point on, I'm just taking you together with me on a walkthrough tour. Wow. Or just look at this beautiful wood. I came here, I didn't expect to find a whole wood factory town, right? I thought I was just going to find a couple of big furniture outlet stores outside of town, not the whole factory town. Here you can see a variety of shapes, including the standard classic, rectangular dining tables, and some very odd shaped ones as well. I mean, it's really just also a matter of each one having a personality of their own too, like pieces of art, isn't it? There's the raw wood mixed in with the finished wood. You can see that on the left, right? And this is just the raw wood. And coming up here, hang on, there it is. Look at that huge, beautiful trunk. I wonder what kind of wood that is. And look at that other one below it. All these are partially carved. I don't know who the heck's gonna end up buying them and why, right? I mean, I have no idea. Now I'm walking down this narrow corridor. It's barely 2 feet wide. Look at that one with the knot in it. Some of those are defects, and so they're cheaper. Others are regarded as expensive, right? And so they cost more. And then this piece of wood,
It's so smooth, by the way. It's so smooth like glass, so it really, really caught my eye. And then I'm moving here into a huge warehouse room with the manager, Ms. Zhang. You'll meet her in a minute. Oh, by the way, she's Catholic. She asked me, "你是意大利人？你是天主教的? Are you Italian? Are you Catholic?" She's Catholic. I was enjoying that as well. She goes to the same church. And I picked out a couple of the tables that you're looking at here that I'm quite serious about buying. And again, the price is, around $500. So beautiful. That knot I'm showing you right there. I had to go back and show you that knot. Look at that. Whoa, how beautiful. So now we're walking out. I'm not sure where we're going. We're going to switch to another scene here in a second. And we're going to go and, yeah, there we are. We're going over to the other building to meet Miss Zhang. There she is in her pink corporate uniform. And this is also the warehouse guy. She had two incredibly talented craftsmen with her, wood craftsmen. There they are. There he is, sanding it down. These are the two guys she had with her today. Look, they're crafting all this wood that we have been checking out here today. Thanks for being with me, everyone. Bye-bye.